Elbit Systems UK has been contracted by Rheinmetall Bay Systems Land, RBSL, to provide 150 Elbit laser warning systems, ELAWS, for the Challenger 3, CR3 program. The ELAWS system provides 360-degree coverage and accurate and timely warning against laser-guided threats such as missiles. Exact threat detection. According to Elbit Systems, it detects and identifies laser sources such as rangefinders, designators, beam riders, infrared illuminators, and trainers, as well as pinpoints radar, radio frequency sources. The system integrates seamlessly with various countermeasures and training within the vehicle. It includes a built-in testing platform. We are committed to ensuring that UK Armed Forces personnel are appropriately equipped and protected from a constantly evolving range of threats, Elbit Systems UK CEO Martin Fawcett said. Upgrades for the Challenger 3. In 2021, RBSL was awarded a contract worth £800 million, $1.13 billion, to upgrade the British Army's 148 Challenger 2 tanks by 2027. The platform has been upgraded with a new L55 120mm smoothbore main gun, a turret for improved crew protection, improved surveillance, target acquisition, and digital connectivity across the battlefield.